you guys, so we are continuing on. Thank you to Chantel for the prompting. We are continuing on with deep self-care, metta, loving kindness, compassion practice this week. And one of the deepest self-care methods I have found, it's like a 2 for meditation, is to do a little bit of inversion. It's an Ayurvedic practice. And the practice of Ayurveda is like the anecdotal ancient medicinal practices of these contemplative practices. And inversion, like I'm doing right now, I'm sitting on a chair inverting. This is why you're looking at my feet. It's great for, at the end of the day, if inflammation builds up in your feet, or you have neuropathy or heart issues, or you just want to work the lymphatic system. When you're doing inversion practices, one of my favorite places to do it is just to lay on my bed and put my feet up on the headboard. And you can actually meditate while you're inverting, so it's a 2 for 1. And if your feet aren't resting, I just kind of set them up and just rest them up on my headboard and bend my knees. You're also probably not, you're going to work through falling asleep if you're working on meditating in a supine position, so laying on your back and laying down. It's a great practice because your feet will fall over if you fall asleep, right? So a few contraindications about inversions. If you have high blood pressure or heart issues, just start with your feet low. Maybe just lay there and put them up on a pillow and prop them up. But it's such a great, just beautiful practice for, sore, achy feet at the end of the day, or even just to, drain everything back to the heart. Here's the other really cool benefit of it. Your lymphatic system pumps out with the systolic, or the pumping of the heart. So the heart pumps out and it pushes lymph out towards the outer extremities, the hands and the feet. But your lymphatic system, with the diastolic, the back pump of the heart, where normally it sucks everything back to the heart and then the heart recirculates and cleanses and all that stuff, reoxygenates. That doesn't happen with your lymphatic system. And the lymphatic system is a thing that in the Western world we don't really pay attention to a lot. It's a very big European thing, and other cultural things, because the lymphatic system cleanses your organs. And it is the only reason you have to work out or run or move in this life, is because basically the heart pumps out and flushes out the lymphatic system on the systolic, but not the diastolic. So this is why we have to exercise. This is why we have to move our bodies, right, in life. But here's the cheat sheet. Here's the cheat way to do it. You just invert, put your feet up for 10 or 15 minutes while you're meditating. And it's like a 2 for 1. So I'm going to invite you to find a place in your home. You can lay on the floor and put your feet up on a couch. You can lay on your bed, put your feet up on pillows, or you can lay on your bed and put your feet up on your headboard. Find a comfortable inversion position. The higher you bring your feet and the more angle it is, the deeper the inversion. So find a level that works comfortably for you and try it out for like 5 minutes. And then the next day do 10. The next day do 15. And then while you're there inverting, I like to give my toes a little wiggle. I like to let the blood flow back after a few minutes, and then really like shake out my feet, give them a little wiggle, curl the toes in, open them up, shake them out. It's just so nice. It's like a nice, beautiful massaging technique for your feet and your legs, and it just lightens your load, and it helps again with lymphatic, inflammation, all those things. Okay, I'm going to put the phone camera. I'm in Buell at a cabin today. I'm going to put the phone camera out the window so you can see a beautiful view, and I'm going to guide you through your practice. So once you find your spot, get inverted, set the phone down, and I'm going to walk you through what we did the other day, a little practice of self-love and compassion. Metta, meditation, the heart-based intelligence, emotional intelligence-based practices. Specifically with this one, it's going to be loving kindness, compassion for self. So here we go. So with your feet inverted, take a few breaths and just like Wiggle the toes, get comfortable, settle in, and really go into feel rest, shamatha, calm abiding. Like take a few exhales, and as you exhale, feel the weight of the body sinking into the bed or the ground beneath you, whatever's supporting you as you're lying down. And really enjoy the spreading of relaxation, of just really letting go and resting. You can do this practice in a restorative yoga class too. It's a great place to do it. And you just feel you're completely supported by the bed beneath you. Relax the muscles to the face, across the forehead, cheekbones, jawlines. Maybe give the shoulders a little wiggle, the spine a shuffle, settling in. And then just take a few minutes here to go throughout the body. Maybe you do a systematically from head to feet or feet to head. Or you just go to specific parts of your body that normally hold tension that you know of. And just relax. Find rest, feel rest, experience rest, ride the wave of rest and relaxation, and repeat over and over. You may start to feel a little bit of lightness in your feet and legs, less activity. Enjoy that. You can close your eyes and maybe shut down the outer mental screen a little bit. Notice a rest and relaxation there. You can relax the belly. Relax the root, pelvic floor. Soften the heart center. Relax the throat. Relax the forehead. Relax that prefrontal cortex gripping, planning, go, go, go in that forehead space. Maybe it's on the forehead or in the inner part of the skull there. Just let yourself be, let yourself enjoy the space. We're shifting to a loving kindness, compassion, self-love and compassion, metta meditation. And you've already held a container or space for yourself. I'm going to post for you guys a few videos. I did one yesterday on holding container and space in many different ways this week. And that's what metta is. It's a container space of love and compassion for yourself. So you can hold it for someone else, and you don't need someone else to hold it for you, right? So just acknowledge the container and space you held for your body in this practice already, to self-soothe and relax and calm down. That's no small thing. And then from our practice the other day, we're going to repeat that and just do a little mantra practice. You're going to repeat to yourself silently or out loud, "Today, may I feel love. Today, may I hold a space and a container for love to flow through." Self-love. Could be like, "I love you, self." I love you. Insert your name here. You're pretty cool. You could say it to your body like, "I love you. Thank you for tooting me around this world. I love you, toes. I love you, feet." Today, may I feel love. And you can just ride the wave of that feel good. You say that, "Today, may I feel love." Ride the wave of any feel-in emotional deliciousness from that, or physical feel out, relaxing from that. Sometimes just hearing that we're caring for ourselves, it's like our body goes, "Oh, thank you. Ah, thank you." Why not me today? I am love. Today, may I feel love. I love you, eyes that see such beauty. What a gift. I love you, feet that get to toot me around. What a gift. These little feet that have allowed me to dance and move and flow all these years. And when you're ready to move on, the next one is, "Today, may I feel peace. Today, may I enjoy, feel rest, relaxation. Today, may I feel peace." You've opened up and set the container to experience. There's always peace and joy flowing. You are peace, you are love, right? Today, may I just enjoy that. Today, may I feel peace. And the last one, "Today, may I feel joy." As you relax and you've juiced up and built, like we're building up PT. I talked to you about it a little bit ago. It's like deep feel rest, deep satisfaction and rest, and feel love, feel good, feel joy, right? It's this beautiful combination of relaxation and self-love. And this is where we can connect deeply to joy. It's like the joy fire starter. Today, may I feel joy. Today, may I be happy. Be happy. And I'll just send you off with those 3. Today, may you feel joy. Today, may you feel peace. Today, may you be love. Today, may you be love. Thanks for joining me, you guys, and playing along. Remember, transitions are important, so stay here as long as you want. And when you come out of an inversion, you want to come out slowly because the blood's going to the heart. You want to just drop the feet flat on your bed. And then maybe slowly start to sit up. And then slowly put your feet back on the floor, on the earth. And you're going to take about 30 seconds in each position as you slowly start to come up. And then standing up slowly on your feet. It's a great time to juice and experience a long transition out of your practice. Back up onto your feet and into everyday life. Enjoy. Have a fabulous day.